Hi everybody, thank you for watching. For those of you guys that are new, my name is Carly, and today I'm going to be trying out the 5-minute makeup challenge. So the goal for this challenge, in my opinion, is to get as much makeup on your face as possible in 5 minutes. So I have everything out in front of me. I'm feeling very stressed and nervous, but I'm just gonna see what happens. I've never done this before, at least not that I remember. I have been on YouTube a while, but I don't think I've done this before. So I'm gonna get my timer ready. We're gonna set it to 5 minutes, and we're gonna start right now. This color is definitely too dark. Doesn't help that it's empty. No, no, it's empty. No. My luck. Oh, my arm already hurts. So normally I don't even use a brush, but I felt like this would be a little bit quicker to blend. Okay, I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is the Shape Tape. I think it's light medium, could be wrong. I'll let you know after. Conceal. I'm gonna go in eyebrows. Why am I even brushing them up? I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Shade and Light palette, the lightest shade. Bronzer, 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 same kit. I'm gonna bronze. I feel like I have gotten ready, like maybe not in 5 minutes, but like at the speed before, which really stresses me out. It reminds me of like when I used to go to school. There was one time where I went, I was rushing, I got out the door, and I forgot to do one of my eyebrows. So I was in the car and I had to turn back around because I had one eyebrow done and one not done, and there's just really nothing you can do about that. So I had to fix it. In fact, I'm gonna go into the lips because it's important. Gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with my palette. I'm using this shade right here. I'm gonna put that all over. I love this shade, honestly. I feel like it goes with this lip color actually really perfectly, and that wasn't even planned. We're gonna go in with the orange. How much time do I have left? I really, really wanted to do lashes. So I have these. Oh, of course my glue's freaking dry. Minute and 35 left. I'm gonna do blush while that's drying. I feel like I need to line my lips a little bit because these look horrible. I'm gonna plop these on. They're still wet. Where's my eyeliner? Ow, glue in my eye and it's burning. Oh shit, that hurts. 30 seconds. Do some mascara. Do a little more blush. Okay. Ow, first of all, I think I poked my eye out and I got glue in my eye. I feel like if I actually took my time with this look, I would actually really like it. I like this eyeshadow with this lip color. So yeah, it does not look great. I forgot highlight, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the gold from my palette because this look almost looks from far away, like it almost looks like it could be something maybe, right? I don't know. Do you guys see this weather right now? We have like this crazy nor'easter happening. But yeah, so I think I did a little bit better than I thought. Obviously my ears don't match my face, my chest doesn't really match either, but that's because, of course, the foundation that I chose, it's like empty. That would happen. Somehow I got these lashes to stick, so I'm a little bit proud about that. So this was definitely a really fun challenge. I highly recommend you guys trying it out. Usually if I have 5 minutes to get ready, there's no way I'm putting on false lashes or even eyeshadow most likely. I'll just kind of focus on the face, do a little bit of mascara, some chapstick, and maybe a little lip liner and call it a day. But I just was curious to see like how much I can actually do in 5 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I dare you to try it out just for fun. Make sure you use the timer because like you feel that pressure. But if you guys do find yourself struggling with time in the morning, I would definitely recommend trying this with some of your normal products. You don't have to go all crazy like I did, and watch. The more you do it and the more pressure you feel if you're practicing, you will get a routine down super quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check back on my channel on Sunday for, sorry, my eyes are like sticking together. Make sure to check back on my channel on Sunday at 10 a.m. for another new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.